Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to scan a QR code on your Android phone. Now, we don't need to install any other third app. We're going to use our Google Chrome. So, on your phone, open your Google Chrome. Make sure you are on the home page. If you are on another tab, go ahead and exit that out and go to the home page. And then, as you can see here on the search field, it has a microphone and a camera. Go ahead and tap on the camera. It might ask you to allow permissions to use your camera, so go ahead and allow that. Now, once you're in here, just tap on the camera icon again and then face it on the QR code. Now, depending on how clear the QR code would be, and as soon as it read it, it should show the link. And there's a clickable link here. I made this QR code earlier, so it should route me to a YouTube video. So let's go ahead and tap on this link, and it will open up a browser, and it's been routed to the correct YouTube video. And that's how you can do it. So easy and quick to scan your QR code on Android. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.